In this video, we will see how to generate GSTR1 in Strategic ERP. So to generate GSTR1, you need to navigate to statutory module, and then you need to open GSTR1 form. Once you will click on GSTR1 form, GSTR1 form will open, and then you need to provide your GST number of which GSTR1 you want to generate. So here you can filter by GST number or project name as well. So I have selected one GST of this, and now you need to select month for which month GSTR1 you are going to generate. So I have selected April, then financial year 2025. Once you will select this data, once you will select these details, the data will populate under these tabs. The first one is B2B, where all of your B2B sales will be appear, right? And here the GST of recipient, ledger name, invoice number, invoice date, and all required details are there. Then B2CL means B2C large, B2C small. If there is any sale which is related to B2C small, that will be appear over here. Similar way, the other tabs, credit debit note registered will appear here, credit debit note unregistered will come here, advance if you have applied GST on any advance receipt that will come here, advance adjustment here, exempt here, HSN code by summary will appear here, document details will come here, and exemption will come here. And if you want to generate this in Excel, you need to click on print button and then GSTR 1.1, then Excel. And then this report will generate in Excel format as well, in similar way. So let me show you. So this is basically according to the GST portal, the instruction, then B2B, detail of B2B sales, then B2B, B2C large, B2C small, and all B2C small, credit debit note registered, unregistered, and all. So many types are there. So here, by using this method, you can generate your B2B, you can generate your GSTR1 in Strategic ERP. Thank you.